Korean in how to say the Thai style is that we have two different sauces. I'm not sure whether you have ever eaten this kind of hot in Thailand or not. So let's go come. So we have the minced garlic here. Yeah, and the fresh chili. So we mix with the paste. And this is the broth from the pork. From the pork rib. Yes. So you want to put it here for you. This is to avoid the meat to stick on it.
We did this once before and we had it sticking everywhere. Yeah.
And มันไก่ไหม
ตัวนี้จะเป็นไก่มาเตาธรรมดา
beef ham
ตัวนี้จะเป็นข้าว
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put vegetable in it.
Okay.
Okay, we put carrot here. So we use our hand, okay?
Yeah.
Chinese cabbage. Okay, so you just turn it over upside down.
Okay.
Actually, it's almost ready, okay?
Okay.
But we need to make sure that it is cooked. Just in case you want medium rare, you get used to medium rare, it's fine. It's quite fatty here, okay?
We like it cooked. Good. Yeah.
Okay, so let me mix the paste for you. This is for the dip. And just in case you want to in the soup. Oh, sorry. Okay. This chicken, I mean. So, how we mix the paste. Garlic here. I like spicy. I add more chili.
Okay.
Yeah. So the ingredients with nuts, peanuts.
Yeah. Allergies.
You
that'll be for him.
For me, because she has allergies.
Okay.
Me, I'm fine.
Okay. Then just stir it, mix them well. Yeah, like this. Here you are.
Okay.
Okay, so this is without nuts. Taste it. You taste it first. If
Oh, it's a barbecue.
yes, it's like a barbecue.
Got a good spicy taste.
Okay, so you start to pick it up because otherwise it's being overcooked. Okay, take it. You can use this chopstick. Take it. Whatever you think that it is ready to eat, just pick it up to your bowl. Okay.
Oh, got a good breeze going.
Or you can put in the broth like this. Okay?
Yeah.
How is it? Good? just eat the vegetable, okay?
Sure.
Like I said, we eat, we cook at the same time.
I'm gonna try this. It's good.
Later on tonight or tomorrow, I'll send you those links and examples of those tutoring things.
The fiber.
Yeah, but even other things. Because what you can make from that with your English skills, a lot of money now.
Thank you. I will. Let's say I will have another job from you.
Especially with the baby coming.
Yeah.
If you think that you want more fish, pick it up anytime you want.
More spicy.
This is not the place all you can eat. It's like it comes with a set.
Okay, yeah.
If you go to the place all you can eat, it's too crowded.
Or too
Hundreds of
crowded.
people at the same time.
Oh, really?
I don't like that place. It's too crowded.
Too busy.
Too busy. Let's say if you go there, sometimes people are like drinking and eating. It's very noisy.
Okay.
Are you right?
And then for another beer,
Oh, sorry, I forget
it's
it.
okay, no problem.
Oh, sorry. Take it. Otherwise, it's too cooked. Yeah, that's ready. So when we have the friend gathering or family gathering, we always have this kind of menu. Yeah. It's a symbol of